The zombies are coming.
Your
Help!
house.
I'm stuck in the moose book.
Dude,
Oh
I
no!
was gonna
Big
say,
moose!
I don't see
Grab my
anything.
hand! Come on, buddy. Grab it.
Wait, do you guys hear that?
I heard that. Something's a little bit fishy.
This is
Oh,
zombie.
whoa.
This is zombie.
Oh, it's not time. Hey! Yeah! Breakfast! Bad zombie, bad zombie. Nope, 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 nope.
Moose.
Moose,
listen,
help!
it's not what you think
Go,
it is,
Cyclops!
okay?
That's the Cyclops! You were the one breaking us! Dang it, Cyclops! Why would you do that, man? I'm coming after you, buddy. I am coming after you, bro. What? What have to hear about, huh? What? That's it, Cyclops. Yo, poison him! Yes, poison him. It'll help us.
I'm gonna get. No.
Get him.
No.
Give him the
no,
poison.
no.
Jeff! Jeff, buddy! Jeff! Ah, man, every time, bro. I'm always forgetting about things in daycare, bro. Like, last time, I left my moose book, then I left my car and all these things, and I keep on forgetting things, so I gotta keep on coming back, bro. But, yo, the daycare's looking amazing as always, bro. Even though it's nighttime, it's about to be on bedtime and all, daycare's always looking good, man. All right, so Jeff, I don't think Jeff is even, wait. Jeff? Huh, what the heck is he doing? Wait, what? Why is there hearts on the walls? Wait, why is there like candles and stuff? Oh, there it is right there. There we go. Perfect. There's my rocket launcher. Perfecto. There we go. Oh, I still have some Gamma rocket launcher. Perfect, man. I can't believe I forgot my rocket launcher in daycare. How do I forget my paintball rocket launcher, bro? Oh. Hey! Hey, Jeff, what's up, buddy? Wait, Jeff, what are you doing in daycare at nighttime, man? I thought you were off work. Aren't you done? Hey, what are you doing here? Oh, Jeff, I forgot my rocket launcher. I left my rocket launcher back in daycare. This is my daycare. I'm allowed to be here. Okay. Well, you're not be so sassy about it, man. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, Jeff. Chill, Jeff. Chill. Relax. Wait. Wait a minute. He's dead. My food senses are tingling. I smell that. Big fish. Yeah. Sorry, Jeff. Wait. Why is there a fancy dinner with all this fancy stuff here? And there's a wedding cake and there's candles and then there's table for two. No, this is for tomorrow. Now get out, Jeffina. Jeff, I'm here for our date. What? What?
I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby. But
darling. No. Oh, no. Wait a minute, Jeff. This can't be Jeff. This can't be. Jeff, is there something you want to tell me, buddy? Is there something you want to tell me? Oh, hey, Jeffina.
I've heard people say that.
Are you going out with Jeff the Moose? No. Hey, Jeff. Yes, Jeff. Is this your girlfriend, bro? Don't talk this. Jeff, you have a girlfriend and you didn't tell me, man. This is why I've been so secretive. She's crazy, man. You just called your girlfriend. Excuse me, Jeff. Never call a girl crazy. She'll kill you, man. Trust me, I had a few exes. It's a bad idea, man. Nope. Jeff. Bad idea. Don't say anything, man. I don't know this person. Jeff, you know me. I'm talking to you. Yo, Jeffina, I'm Jeff's best friend, dude. We were on like a Moose Moms thing together, and I always go to daycare with him. Jeff, admit it. Jeff, the first thing for not being secretive is admitting things. Oh, Jeffina. You guys, this is scary. You guys look, oh, look at them. They're in love. Oh, Jeffina and Jeff the Moose. Oh, you know what, Jeff? I hear you. You guys continue your. Does he always do that? Is that like a thing that he does all the time? I don't know. He does this all the time. So hot.
I've heard people say that.
Where'd he go? Jeff, what did? Yeah. Jeff does this all the time. Okay, Jeff, how about this? I'm gonna leave you guys to be. Okay, I'm gonna leave you all to be, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow. How about that? You guys just enjoy your dinner, and wait. What about your waitress? Is your waitress coming soon? Huh? You guys don't have a waitress? Demonstration hit. No, Jeff, chill. Okay, fine. I don't have a waitress. All right, buddy, whatever, man. I'll call a waitress for you, buddy. Okay? You guys go do your own thing. Just stay safe, okay? I'm ready to go to the restaurant. Okay, Jeff. Yo, hold up. Yo, Jeff doesn't know what we're gonna do. Hold up. I have an idea. Oh, snap. Wait a minute. We need a suit. A nice little looking suit. Here we go. How about this? There we go. Perfect. Yo, you know what? Maybe the leather. Yes. Something like this. Maybe not? I mean, this should be good enough. Whatever, should be good. Okay. Let's go like this. Perfect. All right. Perfect. I think I can low-key pass as a waitress, right? Low-key, I probably could. Hello? Jeff? Jeffy? This is your waitress? Hello, my friend.
I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby.
What did I just witness? What am I looking at? Hello, oh Jeff, hello my friend. Today I'll be serving your food and all. Oh, our waiter! Not you again! You went all out! Oh, Jeff, listen, my friend, I am professional waiter, my friend. Don't worry. I will serve you all the good food. I'm also part Russian. Hello, my friend. How you doing? Okay, your IQ isn't very high, is it? Jeff, don't insult her, man. What's wrong with you, bro? Jeff, come here. Let me talk to you. Jeff, do not insult her. I know you don't go on a lot of dates, but do not insult her, bro. She'll kill you. Look at her. She got that feisty, like, the haircut, man. She'll kill you, bro. Just be careful, man. Run! She just barked. I mean, hi. Ah! I'm so scared, bro. Okay, Jeff. Anyways, let me get you started with your first little thing over here. Alright, how about I start you guys off with a roasted chicken? There we go, man. Roasted chicken for everybody. Oh, Jeff, wow, you're getting really thick, aren't you? There you go, buddy. Just clear this up. Perfect. Enjoy. Jeffino and Jeff the Moose, enjoy. Oh, fancy. Oh, there you go. Here's some noodles for the lady, and then the turkey for the thick boy. There you go. Okay, now I got you guys some desserts as well, and here's a fruit bowl. There you go. I'm gonna put this on the ground right over here. Enjoy. Yeah, this is not awkward at all. Awesome. There you go, guys. You see? No. You guys are definitely meant for each other. She just ate everything. It was good. Jeff, you didn't even eat anything. Oh my God, Jeff. Yo, your girlfriend's pretty savage, man. Just saying. Jeff, relax, buddy. Sit back down, man. I haven't got you guys dessert, bro. You want dessert? Sit back down. I'll get you guys dessert. All right, don't worry about it. I got you, man. I got some carrots. I got some moose milk. There you go. Look at that moose milk. There you go. Enjoy, dude. Perfecto, all right? I even got you guys some carrots, some loaf of bread, and some poached eggs, and some of all of this treats and stuff. All right, buddy. Jeff. Here we have a wall, Jeff. Currently in his natural habitat. As you can see, he's given his wife some moose milk. They're enjoying the moose milk time. This right here is the Australian jungle. Jeff, no! Ow! Dang it! Every time, man. Jeff, I'm just trying to be rude. I'm just trying to be nice, not rude. Okay, buddy. You drink your stuff. Come on. Drink it. Share my wife. Then why is there wedding cake? She's a friend. Jeffina. Hey, what? Jeff, I think, Jeff, come over here. Let me talk to you. Jeff. Shut it! Jeff, what are you doing? You trying to ruin this? You got her sad now. Jeff, I'm sorry to ruin things, buddy, but come on, Jeff, you gotta hug her out now. Come on. Oh my God, Jeff, this is, just give her the moose book. Okay, no. Jeff, she's sad. Jeff, come on. You know what? I'm gonna spice this up a little bit. Hiya! Don't worry. The table was not necessary. Let's get to the main portion. What the heck? There you go. Here's some cookies for you. Oh, Jeff, come on, buddy. You're making it rain, man. There you go. Have some of these drinks over here. There you go. Perfect for everybody, man. I got you guys some treats, all that good stuff, man. Enjoy eating. There you go. You see, now you have like a nice little picnic set up over here, dude. And some moose milk everywhere. All right, Jeff, you two just have a good time. I told you I'm on a budget. Jeff, don't worry. I'll pay for it, bro. Listen, man. Dinner's on me. How you into this guy? I don't. You must be so rich. Oh, this is the weirdest thing I've ever done in my life. Okay, well, let's get myself some wedding cake over here and perfecto. Jeff, I saw the wedding cake. All right, for all this stuff. Oh, look at that, Jeff. You see, she loves you, bro. You're good, man. Wedding cake, Jeff. Listen, Jeffina. He didn't want me to tell you this, okay? My legs hurt. Jeff, get up. Jeff, get up. Come on. Jeff, get up. Okay. Jeffina? No wedding cake. Jeffina. He's talking crazy, Jeffina. Listen, before all of this, he talked to me and he told me that he wanted to get married. And he got me a wedding cake, okay? Now, this wedding cake, I'm pretty sure it's for you. So I'm just going to... Jeff, control your anger. Jeff, control your anger, buddy. Jeff? Talk to your lady, bro. There you go. Look, Jeffina. He got you a wedding cake. Enjoy. Back up. Man, this is so romantic, bro. I don't know what's going on. It's so... This is, Oh, look. You have a little mini Jeff. Oh, cheat the whole thing. No. Jeff, that was a bad idea. Jeff, this was a really bad idea. Oh! Jeff, was that the explosive diarrhea? Ah! Jeff, what even? Jeffina, there you go. Now you two are pretty much married. Yeah, there you go. No cake. Jeff, what are you doing? Jeff, that's a bad idea. Oh, that was a bad idea. Darling, where's Jeffina? Hi, Jeffina. How you doing? Yeah, sorry about Jeff. He gets really upset sometimes. Tries to handle his problems by using TNT. Yeah. Hi. We should probably move right now. Ah! Nope. Jeff, what I tell you, buddy, this is not the way. It's hot. I'm so done. I'm going away. Jeff, dude, come on. She loves you, man. I'm so done. Okay, you know what? You too. I think you had a wonderful, wonderful time. I'm going to be on my way. So, Jeffina, go chase after your man, all right? Go chase after him. I don't know what happened today. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for today's daycare video. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'm going to head back home. Subscribe and tap the bell for another daycare video. Let's get 10,000 likes for another episode of Daycare, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Let me know what you want to do next. Peace out. Bye.